Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Essentials, only way. Start by setting up your company profile, linking bank accounts, and selecting cash or accrual accounting. I will guide you through navigation, invoicing, expenses, and basic reconciliation. Follow along as we customize settings, automate recurring transactions, and run a simple profit and loss report. This walkthrough keeps things practical and friendly, so you can feel confident managing books every week. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Essentials, only way. Learn how to create polished invoices, add payment options, and track paid versus outstanding bills. I will show you steps to set up online payments, apply customer credits, and send reminders. You'll see how to record partial payments and link receipts to invoices for clean records. This approach helps you get paid faster and keeps customer accounts accurate without extra stress. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Essentials, only way. Capture receipts, categorize expenses, and set bank rules to automate categorization as transactions download. I will walk you through matching transactions, correcting categories, and running reconciliation reports. You will learn quick tips for vendor records and expense approvals to maintain consistency. By building simple habits, your books stay tidy, and you'll avoid.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.